In figure below, line K is drawn from point P perpendicular to L1. If L1 or line 1 and line 2 are parallel, what can you conclude about K and line 2? So given that line K is perpendicular to line 1 and line 1 is parallel to line 2, so these two lines here are parallel, and line K is perpendicular to line 1. So we have line K perpendicular to line 2. So this is from the properties of perpendicular lines, that given two parallel lines, say line 1 and line 2, these are two parallel lines. So if line or the line K is perpendicular to line 1, then it must be also perpendicular to line 2, since line 1 and line 2 are parallel. So this is from properties of perpendicular lines. Given two parallel lines, so this is the symbol of parallel lines, and this is the symbol of perpendicular. So line 1 and line 2 are parallel. So if line K perpendicular to line 1, so we conclude that, or then it should be line K also perpendicular to line 2. Thank you.